In this lecture, we'll define what artificial intelligence is and discuss about examples of AI in everyday life. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to learn and think like humans and mimic their actions. These machines or systems are designed to think, reason, and learn from experience through a process known as machine learning. This enables them to adapt to new situations, effectively mimicking human actions and decision-making processes. Through AI, computers can perform functions such as recognizing speech, making decisions, solving problems, and understanding natural language. This technology is transforming various aspects of our daily lives and numerous industries, making processes more efficient and enhancing our overall quality of life. Examples of AI include virtual assistants like Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, Google Assistant, recommendation systems on streaming and e-commerce platforms, autonomous vehicles, and more. We'll be discussing about all this in more detail in a subsequent lecture.